Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majge. Today video is about top 10 advantages of studying MBBS in Ukraine. So Ukraine is one of the top destination for Indian students for studying MBBS. So every year there are thousands of students who go to Ukraine for studying MBBS. So why they go? What they have, what Ukraine has for giving Indian students. So how is the education there? What are those reasons where Indians choose Ukraine for their MBBS education? So let's know one by one. So we'll discuss 10 advantages of Ukraine. So let's get started. So before I start a video, I would like to ask you a question. So which is your favorite university in Ukraine, in case if you're thinking about going to Ukraine? I've also made a different video on some of the top universities in Ukraine. So I'm going to put the same video link on the description box. Please do watch that as well, so that you know which are the top universities in the Ukraine. So let's get started. So the first advantage is easy application process and the eligibility criteria. The application process is very simple in Ukraine. There is no entrance exams or there is no Skype interview. So the student should just send their documents like 10th and 12th mark sheet with NEET scorecard. The student should be qualified by NEET either in the 2021 or the student would have qualified for the last 2 years, like 2019 and 20. So students who are qualified for last 3 years, they can apply to Ukraine. Not only Ukraine, for any country, the NEET qualification is valid for last 3 years. So your 12th mark should be just 50%. In physics, chemistry, biology, students should score just 50%, and the NEET should be qualified by the student. So that is a simple eligibility criteria. And also there is no entrance exam and all that for the students. So it is that simple. So the next advantage is the oldest university. The universities in Ukraine are very old. Some of the universities are 100-year-old, 200-year-old, and most of them are government. So there are hardly one or two universities which are government university, apart from two universities, Kharkiv International University and Kyiv Medical University. These two are only private. So most of the universities are government universities, which are very old, 100, 200-year-old universities. So they as they are oldest universities, so they have good infrastructure. They have all kinds of facilities like international student dormitories, and good hospital tie-ups, and the good library. So all the facilities are there in the universities as they are old. So whenever the university is old, that means they have the good experience of giving education to the students. So you can choose the oldest universities in Ukraine, which are 100, 200 year old. This is one of the advantages. And the third advantage is world ranking. So universities in Ukraine, most of them comes less than 5,000 ranking in the world. That means less than 5,000 means that is a good ranking. So most of the universities, there are more than 18 universities where Indian students can choose. So all these 18 universities comes less than 5,000. Some are 2,000 ranking, some are 3,000 ranking. So in case if you want to know, so which are the top 10 universities in Ukraine, which are the universities which comes less than 5,000 ranking, please do contact us so that we give you the free counseling. We can give you the comparison between different universities. We can help you choose the best universities in Ukraine for you. So please do call us on the displayed number. So the next advantage is worldwide recognition of the degree. So the universities in Ukraine are recognized by WHO, recognized by National Medical Commission India, also recognized by as Europe is largest country in the Europe, and they also follow Bologna process. That means the curriculum what they follow in Ukraine is Bologna, which is which is actually same in all the European countries. So wherever they go in Europe, so the Bologna is actually followed. So the degree of Ukraine is also valid in all the European countries. So student can also practice in any European country. The next advantage is English medium. So unless like other countries, like suppose if you choose Russia, the local languages in Russian there, and most of the universities in Russia doesn't teach completely in English medium. So there are some university which actually give education in English medium, but 80% universities are like 50-50, like they have bilingual, like 50% in Russian medium and 50% in English medium. So in Ukraine, so you don't have that problem, so they don't impose you to learn in Russian medium. So here you find teachers, professors who really speak good English. So the complete education is going to be in English medium for the 6 years. This is also one of the advantage. The seventh advantage is individual attention. So here in Ukraine, what happens, like they don't have a big group of students studying in one classroom. So they have very small groups, like 15 students, 12 to 15 students in one group. So it's like very small group of students are in one classroom. So the teacher can give individual attention to the student. So literally teacher will know so which student is going to be absent on that particular day. So there is no question of bunking the class or something like that. So when there is a small group of students are there in the classroom, so teachers can also give individual attention to the students, so that in case if students have any kind of a questions or any kind of a doubts they have, so they can ask then and there itself, and the students also share their contact numbers with the students, so where they can directly approach the teachers in case if they have any questions or doubts. And the next advantage is 100% attendance. So a lot of people think students who are studying in Ukraine, there is no 100% attendance, and the students are not serious, so they don't go to classes, they're not at par with Indian students. It's all a myth. So in Ukraine, the attendance is 100%. The student can't bunk the class. Suppose if they bunk the class also today for some reason, they may have any medical emergency or any personal work or something like that. In case if they miss the class, they have to do the class work. That means today whatever is taught in the classroom, that student should actually take a help of a friend and to do the class work and go and show it to the teacher. Then their next class will be continued. This helps students to understand what is happening in the class. That means, see, MBBS is not like just you go 50% class and 50% you bunk. So it's not like that. So students are gonna actually save someone's life. So in depth, the knowledge they have about their subject is very important. So they can't miss the classes, they can't bunk the classes, or they can't afford to be not serious about their education. So being serious with their education, with their classes is very important. Then only they become good doctors to the society. Then only they'll be able to save people's life. So here, if you think in Ukraine the attendance is not compulsory, that's a myth. Student has to attend their classes 100%. And the next advantage is, ninth advantage is Indian students community. So this is one of the very important factor where Indian students decide to go abroad. See, the students are just passing their 12th, they are just 17-year-old or 18-year-old. For parents to decide about sending them abroad is actually a stopping point. The parents or students are not so confident about sending their kids just because they are very young. So here I'm going to give you the biggest advantage which will eliminate students and parents for not deciding to send their kids abroad or Ukraine or any country. So here Ukraine has about 17 universities where Indian students every year choose. All these 18 universities have Indian community. That means any university if the student is choosing, there will be minimum 1000 students presently studying, minimum. So when there are huge number of students presently studying there, so they will have a separate hostel for Indians with Indian food facility. That means there is somebody from India who's managing the Indian mess there. So students also get the delicious Indian food, so they don't miss their country or they don't miss their home food. So they do get Indian food. So this will actually help students to get adjust there. I mean, when there is an Indian community, they do celebrate all kind of festivals, Holi, Diwali, Ugadi, any kind of Indian. So the students gather and they celebrate their festival so that they don't miss their family and they get Indian food. The Indian students are staying together. So this gives students kind of a motivation to go abroad for MBBS so that they can fulfill their dream of studying MBBS. So the next and last advantage is 10th advantage is safety. So Ukraine is very, very safe comparatively for Indian students, as they also live with the Indian community. There are a lot of Indian students. And there are many universities are taking Indian students on yearly basis, and from so many years Indians are going. So in the hostels and the university, they do have CCTV cameras. They would have security who's actually taking care of the hostel building and all that. So students or parents need not to worry about safety aspects, but still there are some boundaries which students have to follow. It's not whether it is Ukraine or any other country, the students should actually have certain boundary for themselves, otherwise no country is going to be safe for them. Of course, the university and the hostels are going to take a safety measures for Indian students. So comparatively, Ukraine hostel or Ukraine universities are going to be very, very safe for Indian students. So these are the 10 advantages of going to Ukraine. So hope this video is helping you guys to choose Ukraine for for your MBBS education. So Ukraine is one of the great country, and many Indian students are choosing Ukraine. It is one of the top country where Indian students are going in thousands of numbers on yearly basis. So this is going to be the one of the best destination for you as well. So in case if you want to know more information about Ukraine, which university, which place, and how to choose the universities and all that, please do contact us and we will give you the free counseling, and we would help you to choose the university for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Namaste.